Okay, look. I just really like messing with my hair, okay? I'm sorry. It's just something that I like. Hello everybody, and welcome to a new video where I'm going to do something to my hair again. I'm just slowly getting annoyed with all the colors that I dye my hair because it looks cute at the beginning, but after like a week or 2 or 3 it just starts to fade and it gets ugly and it gets uneven, and I don't really want to dye it again because then the color is going to be harder to remove eventually, and overall it's just a lot of work, okay? I mean, look, I guess this looks kind of cute at the front, but then if you look at the back, can you see that? It's not pretty, okay? It's not pretty. So today I am going to try and go blonde again. I know, intense. I bought a color remover. As you may know, I have never ever gotten a good experience by using a color remover. But I'm just gonna try it again because I have never used this one. This is the Schwarzkopf Bond Enforcing Color Remover. And a lot of people seem to really love this, so I'm just gonna try it. Hey! I am sitting at my beautiful hair dyeing station. Well, no, my beautiful color removing station. I'm gonna prepare my shit and then start from the back of the head and work my way forwards. I mean, normally I would always do it the other way around, but Brad Mondo told me that you kind of have to start at the back of your head. So I'm gonna start from the back, work my way forward. And now I'm just going to comb my hair through. My long and luscious hair. The moment of truth. By the way, I'm going to try and not get it on my roots, because I'm pretty sure this is gonna lift my roots up and I want to bleach them afterwards. So oh my god, can you see that? I feel like it's already lifting. Damn boy, this shit works fast. So that means that I gotta work fast too. Damn, this stuff works so fast. Oh my god. This stuff is actually like intense, boy. I mean, look at my, oh wait, other way around. Look at my hair. It has gotten so light already. It's like the moment you put this stuff on your hair, it just starts to lighten up almost immediately, which is freaking insane, boy. Here I only have like super small pieces because this is like the hair that I trimmed off a little bit. So as you can see here, it's literally like a millimeter of hair that is dyed. But I'm gonna try to cover it anyways. Oh boy! Look at my hair! Oh my god, it's already so light. Ooh. Honestly, it really just looks like I've just put bleach on my hair, and I really hope that it isn't the same as bleach, because that has happened to me before where I thought I used a color remover because on the packaging it said color remover, but in reality it was just very strong bleach. It absolutely deep fried my hair, and not long after I used that color remover I shaved all my hair off again. So I hope this stuff is better and less damaging. So let me see how long I have to put it on there. Wait, what the hell? It doesn't say how long I have to keep it on there. Boy! What kind of instructions are these? Okay. Hey Siri.
Uh-huh.
For how long do I have to keep the Schwarzkopf bond enforcing color remover on my hair for? So the internet says that I have to keep it in my hair for a maximum of 20 minutes, but it has already been 20 minutes for the back of my head, but not the front of my head, because this has only been like a few minutes so far. So I'm just gonna let it sit 10 more minutes, okay? And then I'm gonna rinse it out. Okay? Okay. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey everybody! I rinsed the color remover out of my hair, as you can see, and it is not pink anymore. Damn! It is very orange right now, but I have a reason behind the orange color, and that is I used to have orange color before I dyed it pink. So I think the dye that I used to dye my hair orange was stronger than the dye that I used to dye my hair pink. But honestly, it's not even that bad, and it's pretty easy to tone this out of my hair. So not mad about it at all. I'm gonna bleach my roots now. Hey! Hey! Yeah, boy, this is a journey. But yeah, this is my hair right now. My roots are done and they are super light, as you can see. So I'm going to tone my hair right now, and I'm going to use this one. Never used this before, but it looks very promising. So I'm just gonna put this in my hair and then see if I'm gonna get some beautiful, luscious blonde hair. Because this is kind of crazy still. Also, I kind of look like a mushroom or something, don't you think? So like I said, I got a white toner from Bleach London. And it has the colorant, developer, some gloves that I won't be using today, the directions, and the reincarnation mask. Oh, ho. So they do say it has to be on like towel dry hair. So maybe I have to wet my hair a little bit. Because this is not towel dry. This is literally crunchy desert dry. Put this in here. Oh shit! So I'm just gonna apply this stuff all over my roots. And just like blend it in. And then over the rest of my hair. I don't actually see anything happening to my hair. I mean, do you see a difference? I don't know. It's kind of weird. Because normally when you put toner in your hair, you can see like an immediate difference. But I don't think it's really changing right now. Okay. I take back what I just said, because I do see a difference in my hair. It's just not the difference that I thought I was gonna see. I mean, the ends are still very orange. I'm just gonna apply the entire bottle of toner on my hair. And then I'm gonna let it sit. And hopefully my hair is gonna look presentable. But like these ends, ooh boy. Those are gonna be the death of me. Okay, bitches! I got toner in my hair. as you can see. I'm gonna let it sit for 25 minutes and hopefully it's gonna look cute in the end. Oh my god! Look at my hair! By some miracle, I actually managed to get my hair a beautiful color blonde. Oh my god, look at it! It's so pretty and it's so blonde. And it's looking fresh. Oh shit. I honestly did not think that this was gonna go right because I've tried going blonde after dyeing my hair like crazy colors before. And it's just a struggle. But I have to say, I think it actually went pretty good. There is like a little bit of color difference. As you can see, like the ends are still a little bit like on the more pinky slash orangey side. But it's honestly not that noticeable. And I actually think it looks kind of cute. So, I have blonde hair. Oh my god, it's so blonde. Look at it. Bitch. The only like problem that I have right now is, I swear to god, I hate myself, okay? Problem that I have with this hair color is that every time I look at it, the only thing I think is, this is such a nice base color to dye on top of. I mean, just look at this hair. It will be so nice to just cover it in dye again. Oh my god, look, that will be so satisfying. But I can't, okay? Oh, I don't know why I have this problem. I'm just never satisfied. But yeah, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, bye, bye, ciao, ciao, kiss, kiss.